hello from Dubai Autodrome.
We made it to the airport. Flight is in 1.5 hours. Lab is working.
Yeah.
What are you cooking?
Finishing touches on the Civic wing.
Oh, we managed to hopefully pass the wing.
We'll see if it's still in one piece or multiple piece. Good thing we have PPF on.
Yeah. My friend.
Oh, we're going something.
Are we getting the wing, dude?
Hopefully, yes, in one piece and not folded in two.
Oh, he made it.
I don't want to open it.
No snowboard, dude.
Yeah, thank you.
We have wing, and we also have uprights in between my underwear. We made it. We made it, dude.
We made it.
Would you like a shirt? Or maybe a Porsche upright? Oh. Oh.
Oh, we have it.
Oh, we made it.
Welcome in Dubai, and massive shout out to Volkswagen for providing us with a Tiguan, for us being able to fit everything in there, including 2 wings for the 992 GT3. Wow, everything fits, including actually driver and a passenger. Fantastic. Guess that's the spot. Good thing they didn't say anything about snowboarding.
Yeah.
Let's go. Hello, gorgeous. And hello from Dubai Autodrome. I don't know what else to say, because I'm intending to making 2 videos. This is going to be probably the vlog one, because I'll start talking nonsense. Anyway, we are at Dubai Autodrome, and we are here to unveil and test and mount and present our brand new 992 GT3 Vulcan Alpha wing. Should be a direct bolt-on. The wing was picked up. I think it was finished from production. It arrived to us yesterday in Germany and went directly straight on the plane in the snowboard bag together with Gio and Lapo. So now we're going to figure out if it fits. Lots of cool cars. Rather cool. Challenge car. More challenge car. And then we have the main proper. Hello.
Misha.
Good seeing you again.
Yeah, welcome to Dubai.
Thank you, thank you. Well, we've seen this car a few times at the ring. We haven't driven it on the ring, but we will be driving it today here at Dubai Autodrome. So what we will do, the intention is to take off the stock wing, and then our wing should be direct bolt-on. Should. I have trust in him, but he doesn't until everything is verified. What we're doing now is because we developed the wing to be able to be mounted on original uprights or top mounts. So we're mounting it on the stock ones just to see how it looks, and after that we're gonna put ours on to see how it would look in a GT3 Cup car spec, I would say. So I'm gonna unbox, unwrap the mounts now. But as a GT3 owner, what's your thought?
Looks amazing, yes. Much more aggressive and should work on the track really nice.
Yeah, direct bolt-on. But if you want to extract the full performance, then you go also for the mounts. And also different looks. Then you have basically a cup car. So the downforce value for this, we don't know yet because we were in a rush. But for the big baby, that's going to be 215, you said?
19.
219 kilograms of downforce at 200, how many, 50?
280.
280?
Yeah.
Yeah, car can do.
With the upgraded Swan X.
Yeah. Why 280? This is the values that Porsche is using when communicating their downforce levels when they speak of the MR kit or a GT3 RS or this in this case. So I think it's not too bad. Fast forward, and we installed one of our uprights on it. Look at that. Shout out to Justal, our beloved CNC partner.
Let me take it off so you can see. It mounts in this stock position.
But it looks like pretty much OEM.
It fits actually better on OEM.
Okay.
You see.
Yeah, so when you see the stock one.
I mean, there's a panel here to close it, but you see all the gaps here quite tighter. Because the actual mount, instead of being, is 12 millimeters thick in the thickest section, so it's quite sturdy.
Nice.
Yeah.
And that's the difference in height. Alright, Lapo is blocking the whole shot, but now he's gone. So we installed our Vulcan Alpha mounts and we put the stock wing on to show how it looks, because the system is modular. You can have both Vulcan Alpha mounts and the Vulcan Alpha wing, or just the stock wing on the stock on our mounts, or our wing on the stock mounts. You get the idea. This will be definitely more efficient than the stock position because the wing is higher, and the option is simply there for people who want to have just more efficiency but kind of OEM look, I guess. Whether you want to have higher stock wing or bigger wing on stock mounts, everything is possible. But now let's put the whole thing on. I think that's what we really want to see. Yeah. After a very successful testing day, it's time to grab some coffee at the Cars Cafe and also meet all kinds of people, because we are hosting a meet and greet in about an hour, so I'm very curious to see the turnout. And now let's enjoy the sunset for a second. Oh my god, look at the Shelby Snake. Nice. Forgot to mention for the tires, it's 265 35 20 on the front, and on the back is a chunky 325 30 21 Trofeo R on amazing Advan GT wheels. Since the car will be on display at the Mille Miglia start on Sunday, and after driving through, not on the track, let alone having a bit of a sand, we are now going to have it washed and detailed at the Cars Cafe. How many coffees we're gonna drink?
All of them.
All of them. We're gonna drink all the coffees that they have. Look at that! This is so cool. We're gonna definitely check out the cuisine, but before we do that, check out this. Check out there. It's actually our Touring getting a quick wash, quick detailing. Yeah. Good shot. Yay. Everyone went for a burrito bowl. It's like a burrito, just minus the wrap, and in a bowl.